Okay. Good morning, family.
Good morning.
Good morning, family.
Good morning.
Good morning, my African family.
Good morning.
You're looking beautiful and bright. I'm so happy this morning. I just woke up happy, and I hope you feel good too. We've been having an extraordinary opportunity here at Chances, our first time here in Bomani. Thank you. You liking the environment that we're in?
Love it.
How about those little bird feathered, what are they called, peacocks? Absolutely wonderful. And little Bomani, you like it too? Yes, yes. We're going to hear from you. I like it as well. We're on the journey. And in our books on page 56, right? I'll give you a moment. You got your books out. And we take our daily affirmations as we are moving into another region here in the Volta region. And it's quite beautiful. And as always, for our daily affirmation, it brings us together more in unity of mind, body, and spirit. And we know where there's two or more gathered together, agreeing, there's a balance as if in my yacht. And things get generated and created from that divine agreement, and also the energy of our spoken word, the feeling level of that word, not just the intellectual saying of that word, but the feeling actually gets the blessing. And we saw that demonstration in the manifestation yesterday in a very special way, and we're still seeing it. Had the opportunity to meet the owner, Mr. Chance. That was not by chance, huh? Did some of you meet Mr. Chance of this wonderful resort this morning? Yes. And it's special, and you're special, and that's a sign for me to say I'm grateful even as the day begins. There's something to be in an attitude of gratitude for every moment of every day, and that's just Sass's feeling on that. So, I'm going to speak the affirmation, and you can allow it to marinate and resonate in your being. And the affirmation for day 4 is, I am African.
I am African.
And I have everything I need. Already within me.
Already within me.
Yeah. Let's take that affirmation again 3 times with feeling. I am an African, and I have everything I need already within me. One more time. I am an African, and I have everything I need already within me. Ooh-wee. One more time, and we're going to close this baby out. I am an African, and I have everything I need already within me. Yeah, you felt that, didn't you? And it's still tingling a little bit. It's because we're energy, folk, and our word does not return void. And we're sending this word out together intentionally, purposefully, because it's not outside of ourselves. So already we have affirmed that we're magnificent and wonderful, day 1. I am a radiant African being, day 2. I am the master of my life, yesterday. And I am an African. And I have everything I need already within me. Thank you very much. Have a blessed and perfect day. We're going to ask you to, yeah, you can give me a hand. You can clap for us. You can give it out a little bit more. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sometimes the clapping does release a wonderful energy. And, you know, I work with seniors in my classroom, and we like to acknowledge and applaud folk and give them their flowers while they can smell them. And if somebody does something sweet and nice, we just like to let folk know how much we appreciate it. We don't have to postpone or delay gratitude at all. It opens the door for so many other blessings. Who wants to say what this affirmation actually brings forth with you today? See, when I say I'm I have everything I need already within me. What it's saying, I don't have to look outside of myself for anything. It's sourced from within the very nature of my being. That's what opens up for me. It's self-contained. I'm a self-container of the divine, and it gets done through us and through me. The hands and heart and mind and voice of the Creator. So that's what opens up for me. But if anyone wants to share what that means for you, or anything else, it would be okay at this time.